I'm back out here today, hoping to drop a couple more trees. I got most of the stuff cleaned up from the last ones I dropped. And so, as I was scoping the land out when I got here, Mother Nature took a tree down for me. Oop. So I'm gonna have to cut its arms off and then cut it up. But yes, I am counting that as one of my 75. The other one on by the property line, that's from last year. But yeah, this guy right here, Mother Nature, took this one down for me. So I'll have to cut this up, and then once I cut him up, my number will be at 67. And then maybe I could cut down a couple more. So let's see what we can get done today. Drop this one right here first, and then if I can do that safely, then I want to do this guy right here. But I have to be careful of the ones in the back because of that widowmaker right there. So I got to be smart, and I'll do the ones around it, but not those two yet, until I can figure out how to safely bring that one down. But yeah, so I want to start on this one right there. Kind of like, let's hope it works. I'd say that was done perfectly. I didn't hear it, but I saw it start to move. Doesn't have to be shot down. Maybe I'm learning a couple things. Oh, that's a big one. And I think I said this guy's next. I'm going to sharpen my chain and try and do this one. Let's hope it falls that way. guy's getting good. I'm not. And my right hand's still tender. I don't want to fall that will take my camera out. Suck ass. Hopefully that's good enough. Might help. Too close to that. Fudge. So gas. It's bad. I really messed up. My GoPro's acting up, so I don't think it caught this because it beeped as I was waiting for it to fall. But I was frustrated because I had the face cut and then I had that and I just said screw it because I had a cable to at least buy me some time. I just said heck with it and I just made a bigger cut up here, and as you can see it went right where I want it to. So now I got to spend the rest of the day. That first one I fell, I cut the branches off before I dropped this guy. Then I got to cut up that one over there that thankfully Mother Nature took down for me. So for now, that puts me at 65. That's 10 for the year. but we're already in the 3rd month, so I gotta step it up and fall some more. But I gotta cut these up, make some firewood, give it to the neighbors, and see what I can do. I'll probably video again before I leave today. Just show you guys what I did, cleaned up, and I should get a fire going since it's almost springtime. And before a burn ban will be here before I know it. Thanks again, guys.